Hi guys, just wanted to show you how to make a maintenance kit for your zippo lighter. I have a slim, so it's kind of more of an advantage. What you do is take the inner case, pull it up. First, what you should do, what you do is take off the felt tab. But I just undo the felt spring, so I don't rip the felt tab. Even if I do, I'd probably just buy a new one and send it into the factory. Take out the flint. Take off the felt tab. Take out a few rambles. Take a new wick. A wick. And then put it in the zippo in the inner casing. Just shove it down there, but not too. Okay, now, just like that. Now you take your rambles, put them over the wick. And now, take the felt tab, slide it over. Take the flint, put it back in the lighter, put the felt spring back in. So let me grab this one. Okay, now that's done. Now you can take, what you should do is take an extra flint. Now mine's a zippo slim, so the inner casing is curved. I put it near the flint screw. And then take your outer casing, just put it over. And then test out if it closes or not. Then, yeah. Or if you need to do any maintenance, just ask for someone for a pair of tweezers. Just take out the inner casing, take out the rambles, take out the wick, put a new one in, and then take the flint and replace it. And then you got another working zippo.